Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Ang gusto ko yung feature is si Donovan Mitchell. I think it is a very good time to share his rookie auto cards na naipon ko from before. So pre-pandemic pa to. Medyo mura ko pa naman siya nakuha kasi pre-pandemic times pa. And if I'm being really honest, medyo hindi pa ganun kataas ang value ni Donovan Mitchell. And some of this rookie auto cards na i-share ko ngayon is nakuha ko pa from trades. I just want to know your thoughts. Ano sa tingin nyo? Si Donovan Mitchell ba is undervalued, overvalued pagdating sa mga, sa mga presyuhan sa eBay? So punta naman tayo sa stats niya, and he has been an all-star for 7 straight seasons, hindi including nung rookie year niya. Ang nakakainis lang kasi nung rookie year niya, parang nanakawan pa ni Ben Simmons ng Rookie of the Year award. Tapos slam dunk champion pa. And noong 2025 last season, nasali siya ng All-NBA First Team. Pag nasali ka sa All-NBA First Team, alam nyo na yon. Ibig sabihin, nandun ka na sa mga top players ngayon sa NBA. But sadly, ang storya ni Donovan Mitchell, yung kinakapos siya sa playoffs. Parati na lang hindi umaabot ng conference finals, ng finals. Parati na lang heartbreaking loss. And it's not really his fault. Ang nangyayari kasi is parang yung mga kakampi niya is not playing up to par with him. Tapos ang madalas pang mangyari is yung nagkakaroon ng injuries. Like last year, nawala si Mobley and nawala si Darius Garland. Ngayon gusto ko i-share itong mga rookie autos kasi medyo nabuhayan ako nung nagkaroon ng trade kay James Harden. Okay, ang maganda kasi kay James Harden is talagang veteran and naglalaro naman siya sa playoffs. Ang problema lang kasi is medyo skeptic pa ako ng konti kasi medyo kinakapos din si Harden pagdating sa playoffs, di ba? So when it comes to the playoffs, ang average ni Donovan Mitchell, 51 playoff games, 29 points per game, talaga nagpa-perform. Okay? Rebounds niya is 4.5 per game. For a small guard, 6'1", 6'2 guard, that's pretty good. Assist niya is 5.9, so parang 6 assists per game, okay na rin. Field goal percentage, nasa 45%. 3-point percentage, nasa 37%. Pero from what I see, talagang medyo walang hobby love it. So, ngayon, medyo excited ako. Maybe this year will be the redemption year. So, let's jump in and check my Donovan Mitchell rookie autos. This is by Chronicles and numbered 81 out of 99. Tingnan nyo naman yung rookie autographs niya. Ito yung original rookie autograph niya, yung full auto. Hindi lang maganda kasi pag full auto, minsan napuputol, kita niyo yung sticker. Prism, so dalawa kasi ang rookie auto sa Prism eh. Tingnan niyo naman yung auto niya dito, full din. This one is not numbered. And one of my favorite ones, the Court Kings na fresh paint. See, another full auto here. And this is level 1. So ito hindi siya numbered. Yeah, but ang ganda no kasi para siyang painting. Yan ang gusto ko sa Court Kings talaga. And this one is from Vanguard. Tingnan nyo na yung auto niya dito. Hindi na siya yung full auto. And this one is the purple variant. And this is also an on-card auto pa. And numbered 249. Next one is by Status. Holo foil siya. Full auto. Ito naman is by Dominion. Meron siyang jersey. So, no time na to, ito, game used jersey pa to. And also, low numbered out of 49. Di ba? Full auto pero medyo tinamad na. And last, sa mga rookie autos ko na hindi graded is the Noir. Itong Noir is RPA. And you can see the patch. So, ayan o. May tahi-tahi. And this is a 2-color patch. Kaso yung auto hindi na siya full. Numbered out of 99. Moving on naman sa mga rookie autos na graded. This one is a 9.5 Gem Mint grade, BGS. So by NBA Hoops. Tapos yan, full auto siya. Dahil maliit yung sticker, minsan hindi maganda yung autograph. Kaya ang binigay na autograph na grade lang is 9. So yung Donruss, this one is out of 75. Meron ding game used jersey na rookie. Tapos eto mas maganda yung autograph. Kita nyo naman yung difference. So, although this is a 9 grade lang, yung autograph niya sa likod, 10. One of my favorite rookie autos niya is the Crown Royal. Kasi ang ganda ng design. Yung design na to is actually nakuha sa Pacific Collection. Ang maganda dito, this is very low numbered. Out of 25 lang siya. And yun nga lang, again, dahil nga yung auto, minsan nagbe-break, 9 lang ang binigay na grade. Very nice, and I think nakuha ko to sa trade. Another card na nakuha ko sa trade, this is by Encased. Ang ganda ng background nito kasi it's all white. Tapos, yan yung mabilis na auto niya. And this one is numbered out of 99. This is a gem mint. Wala na siyang subgrades. And makikita nyo yung auto niya only a grade 9. Kasi, you can see that. Yan. Parang na-autograph niya, dumulas, and namarkahan din tong part na to. Kaya 9 lang yung autograph. Crown Royal din, katulad nung isa. But this one, hindi siya die cut. And this one has the game use jersey. Ano yung auto niya dito? Sobrang ano, no? Sa dami ng pinipirmahan, ano na eh. Mabilis na to eh. So this one is out of 199. Only a mint. And for some reason, ito pa yung binigyan ng 10. I guess, yun ang maganda kasi sa on-card eh. Diba? Pag on-card, hindi siya lalagpas. Versus dun sa sticker. PSA 10. And this one is from Prestige. And hindi siya yung base rookie auto. Ito yung crystal. So makikita nyo sa likod nakalagay dito, crystal. And of course, hindi ako mawawala nito yung Prism rookie auto niya, yung silver. Iconic talaga yung mga silver prisms, di ba? Tapos full auto niya to, but it's only a PSA 9. Second to the last one is from Select. This is the purple variant and rookie auto jersey rin niya. This is only a mint. Ang nakakainis dito, pag tiningnan nyo yung subgrades niya, 0.5 na lang magiging gem mint na. Tapos sayang kasi yung auto niya is also a 10. So ako mismo nagpa-grade nito. And I think this is one of the first cards na pinag-grade ko from before. And sobrang nadismaya ako kasi 0.5 na lang talaga. And lastly, ang ihuhuli ko is yung Immaculate ko. And this is the Moments Rookie Auto. On card siya. This is like an acetate card. Kaya makikita nyo medyo nag-fade ng konti eh. Kaya mahirap pirmahan yung mga acetate na cards. And this card is only up to 75. Tapos, mint lang yung grade. Also, the autograph, 9 lang din. Ang good news sa mga gusto pa mag-start ng Donovan Mitchell rookie auto collection nila is hindi pa ganun kataas ang mga presyo niya eh. Marami pang steals sa kayo makikita. Also, before ko tapusin tong video na to, I would just like to say na nagsistick na kasi ako sa rookie years ni Donovan Mitchell. So, the other years, it's either binibenta ko na or tinitrade ko. And this includes low-numbered cards, parallels, even case hits. So, I will shamelessly plug my online shops. So, check nyo na lang sa description box. Ilalagay ko lahat yung mga links doon. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please hit a like and subscribe. And I will be making more different kinds of vlogs for you guys. So, halo-halo na. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, guys.